Hey guys, so you can see here that I have you can see in this terminal that I have launched the OpenNI driver for Kinect, and after launching that driver it connects to ROS and publishes some topics, and here are those topics which are directly connected to ROS. So this driver is already built for ROS, and these are all the topics that it publishes and which can be used when trying to use a Kinect. Okay, so this is done, and after launching this driver there is this launch wait a minute. Yeah, there is this find object 2D package which has find object 3D launch file, and I have started that, and this I found in a book which is called ROS Robotics Projects, and it gives us a pretty good information about how to find an object in 2D and also how to use a depth sensor as well in Kinect. So this is why it looks like it's find object 2D, but it has a 3D launch file as well, which will through which we'll be able to find the distance of the object from the Kinect camera. So let's show you the next part of it. So yeah, in the next part you can see this is my room, and this is the window which opens after launching that file, which is find object in 3D. And in this you can see here, you could see different parameters, objects, and these two are really important for us right now. So and I will tell you what are those objects and parameters in a moment. So yeah, when you can add an object from scene or from files. So you can take a picture of a box, and then when the Kinect sees that box again, then it will find it, or you could just take it from a scene as well. So this is easy for me, so I'm doing scene right now. So you can take a picture, and right now I am taking a picture of a fixed object in my room, and then I'm selecting a region so that the Kinect can recognize it. Okay, so this is done. So after this you see this purple color box arrives here, and this is trying to recognize the object that was fed to it. And similarly, now this is the reference object for me right now. Kinect will be the reference frame, and this is reference object to know how big my room is. So let's add one more object which will be kind of a moving object, and this is the box that I'll be using. You can see it on the screen, the yellow colored box which can be seen. So I can do this again, add object from screen, take picture, and this is a little bit tricky for me because I'm not able to see it clearly, but I think this is the region of the box. Okay, it says too low in layers. I think I might delete it. And inliers are those points that you can see on the box here. and the more the inliers, the better the recognition. You can see the red box that comes on top of my box. Okay, and next let me show you what are the parameters. So there are different detectors as well as descriptors, and what I have read in the OpenCV documentation, that the fast descriptor is really fast in terms of speed of recognizing or speed of detecting those inliers, and brief is the most robust of all the algorithms that I have seen here. Yeah, so brief is a shortcut to find binary descriptors with less memory and faster matching and still higher recognition rate. Okay, so the next thing that we'll do is start rviz to try to guess in the TF to how close the box is from the reference frame of the Kinect. So let's start that. Terminal. Yeah, till this starts I will talk more about the parameters as well. So as you can see, you could add more features to it as well, so that the recognition will be more robust, but sometimes it's you need to find a good level of parameters so that it's the inliers are not too many of them. Okay, and yeah, these are the different parameters that you could tweak. Camera, feature 2D, general. I have not gone through these a lot, but yeah, feature 2D was the most useful for me till now. Okay, so in rviz, let's select the fixed frame, which is usually camera link or RGB frame. Let's select RGB frame. Okay, let's add TF. As you can see here, I will as you can see here, the object 14 is this object, object 14, and object 16 is my box. Okay, so in rviz you can see both of them. And if I zoom in, you could see the object 16. When I move it closer, it moves closer to Kinect, but because this Kinect has a range of 1.2 to 3.5 meter, I think it stopped recognizing or after that time. So I think, yeah, it is not able to recognize and it's now turning to inactive. Let's bring it back. So see here, if I move it down, it goes down. I need to find the coordinates, the exact coordinates, in order to make this run with my robot. Okay, and this is it with the presentation. Thank you.